If you use Evernote to stay organized, this feature can save you a huge amount of time. In this video, I'll show you how to use Evernote import folders on Windows, so you can automatically send files into Evernote without manually uploading them one by one. This is perfect for PDFs, images, and other supported files, especially if you want a simple workflow for saving documents into the right notebook. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Let's jump in. First, open Evernote on your Windows computer and sign into your account. Once you're inside, look for your profile area at the top or side of the app. Then click on it and open Settings. This is where Evernote keeps the options that control syncing and folder automation. From the Settings menu, find Sync Folders. This section is what lets Evernote watch a local folder on your computer and automatically import anything you place inside it. Now click Add to create a new import folder. A file browser window will appear, and this is where you choose the folder on your computer that you want Evernote to monitor. You can pick an existing folder or create a new one, specifically for imports depending on how you want to organize your files. Once you've found the folder, select it and confirm the choice. After selecting the folder, Evernote will ask you where imported files should go. This is an important step because it determines which notebook your files will land in once they're imported. Choose the notebook you want to use, such as a work notebook, a documents notebook, or a project-specific notebook. Picking the right notebook now will keep everything organized later and save you time when you search for files inside Evernote. Once the folder and notebook are set, click OK or Save to create the import folder. After that, Evernote will start watching that folder in the background. From this point forward, any supported file you place into that folder will be picked up automatically. That means you can simply drag and drop PDFs, images, and other compatible files into the folder, and Evernote will handle the rest. Now give it a moment. Evernote may take a few seconds to detect the new files and import them into your selected notebook. The exact timing can depend on how many files you added and how large they are, but usually the process is quick and automatic. You do not need to manually open each file or upload anything inside Evernote itself. To make sure everything worked, open the notebook you selected earlier and check that your files are there. You should see the imported content appear in Evernote, ready for you to search, organize, and reference later. This is a great way to keep receipts, notes, reference images, scanned documents, or other important files all in one place. A few quick tips before you go. First, keep your import folder dedicated to only the files you want Evernote to process, so it doesn't pull in things you don't need. Second, make sure you're adding supported file types, such as PDFs or images, so the import works smoothly. And third, if you want a cleaner workflow, create separate import folders for different projects or categories. So that's how to use Evernote import folders on Windows. Once you set it up, it becomes a simple hands-off system that keeps your files organized automatically. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.